F00B Folding E-Bike Installation Tutorial. Toolbox. Manual, pedals, front quick release skewer, parking bracket, transmission protection driver, tower adapter, toolkit. Use a 5mm hex wrench to remove the parking stand screws. Place the parking stand in the designated frame position and lock the screws. Install the front wheel. Remove the nut on one end of the quick release lever. Pass it through the front wheel hub. On the other side, place the conical spring and safety hook. Remove the front fork protector bar with a 17mm open-end wrench. Remove the brake protector. Lift the front fork. Place the front wheel. Ensure the disc rotor is positioned between the disc brake pads. Hook the safety hook onto the front fork. Tighten the lever on the handle. Remove the mudguard screws with a 4mm hex wrench. Insert the fender and tighten the screws. Install the front light. Tighten the screws. Adjust the riser angle and tighten it with a 6mm hexagonal screw. Install the handlebars. Make sure the concave surface of the handle is aligned with the convex surface of the riser. Adjust the handlebar angle. Then tighten it. Install the seat, open the seat clamp, and place the saddle. The pedal marked with the letter L is for the left side. Screw it in counterclockwise. Use a 15mm open-end wrench. The pedal marked with the letter R is for the right side. Screw it in clockwise. Demonstration of the transmission system. Demonstration of the gear shifter. Long press the power button. Click the plus button to set the gear to the first. Press the drive stop button for rear wheel drive. Long press the light button to turn on the front light. Battery installation and removal demonstration. Take out the battery pack. Click the battery button to display the battery level. Place the battery and it will automatically lock.